na lang tayo. Sige. Lubat na pala ako.
After knowing the girl's experience, her parents also turned into monsters. The girl tried hard to escape, turned into a white bird. She flew towards the girl. Seeing her for herself, she walked over and hugged her. Surrounded by monsters.
Balewa do ini. And a happy holiday season. Never forget the love we have. And may naman okay tuloy ng araw ngayon trabaho kailanman
Let's go.
nih. One is right.
Okay.
Come. There is no right. Huh? No, nothing. No, all is right. All is right. Smile.
Smile.
Hi.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Bye bye. Bye. Goodbye. Hi, hi, Mark. This is again. Yeah. Bye bye. Hi, hi, Martin. This is again. Hi, Nels. This is again. Hi. This is. Bye bye. Ingat din. Bye bye. Oy, nasira yung mukha. Oh, message na ako. Okay, bye. Okay.
Har du sagt farvel?
Ja, det har jeg. Det har vi. Er det her? Hvor er bil? Ah, okay. Sino yon? Sino yon? Very good, Ben. Very good.
He didn't even, ding fix sa bottom. Sari-sari malambutang.
Saan yung bag mo, Ina?
No, it's here.
Yung bag mo na gagamitin mo, dapat hindi mo hiniwalay sa'yo.
Oh, wait, it's on my seat.
Ha? Ayun yan. Saan? Ah, kasi gagamitin niyo to.
Sino yung bag, anak?
Saan yung bag niya? Wala man siyang bag ah.
Sino yung bag?
Wala. Yung maliit lang. Pang dance, maliit lang.
Oh, akala ko. Big.
Ano na, En? Saan yan? Akon to. Ito ilagay mo. Diyan, lagay mo. Diyan na, diyan. Pag-close mo kay kuya mo.